In the green heart of the Netherlands, amidst pastures and rivers, you will find a unique factory. In this factory, creativity, passion and craftsmanship are combined into a single brand, Welonda, a brand that guarantees salon furnishings of the very best quality. Every product sees the light of day in our development department. It starts with a few lines on paper. These lines become shapes, and these shapes are transformed into models that combine functionality and design. Specials are still created by hand. The result is the contours of a new product that is ultimately produced at the same location. Superior quality is only possible in a high-quality environment. That is why the factory incorporates the welfare of both people and the environment. Every chair and washing unit contains metal and wooden construction parts. These parts are produced using the latest technologies, combined with genuine craftsmanship. Serial parts are processed in computer-driven machines to ensure the highest level of accuracy. Permanent ventilation allows the staff to work without masks. The upholstering of the products is essential to their appearance, and customers can choose from dozens of colors. A computer-based machine is used to cut the upholstery fabric so that all the covers are identical. Not only the sewing of the covers, but also the use of foam in the models, and the finishing touches require true craftsmanship and skill. Most of the professionals working here are local residents with many years of service at the company. They possess not only the necessary certificates, but have also undergone internal training. Some professions are passed on from father to son. In many respects, the factory is a family company. After the upholstery has been finished, the product is constructed. All components have passed through the factory separately and are now brought together in the assembly division, where your chair or wash unit is compiled to meet your specific needs. Finally, all products are grouped by order, prepared for transport to customers around the world.